Welcome back to another video, and today we have a Ducati Monster 1100 Evo in the shop. This thing, as you can see, was pretty much just low sided on the right side. Luckily, all the damage pretty much pertained just to this right hand side here, but unfortunately, as you can see right on the crankcase or the clutch cover, that where it says Ducati, where it doesn't really say Ducati anymore, was completely busted and actually had gravel or metal shavings that I could see in the viewfinder. And I was hoping this was from the crash and not from the internals of the engine. So this bike was a bit of a risk, but I wanted to go ahead and jump into it and see if it was savable. So let's get to it. Do you think it? The first thing on the list to complete with this bike was to just assess all the damages. So I wanted to go ahead and take off all the exhaust pieces that were damaged and also just make it easier to get to the clutch cover and take it off and see what was going on inside of there. So let's go ahead and get to that. Has oil. No chunks, no chunks, no chunks.
Sparkly?
As long as it wasn't started after the crash, it should be fine. Oh my god. What? Jesus Lord. Look at that.
Oh shit. Damn, that ate all the dirt.
Holy shit. Jesus. This is like Devin's bike, remember?
That's dirt.
Yeah,
That's gravel.
dirt, yeah. Fuck, I think I'm gonna have to take the...
fucking help them put that in there. Should they come out right?
I think I'm gonna have to take the clutch apart.
Wait. Yeah, it's gravel, but it's got a little shiny in it.
Oh. Work on it.
Huh?
Fix it. And with the clutch cover back on, we can add some oil, put the exhaust back on, and see if we can get this thing started. Yeah. I want to dump this oil immediately. That's it. There goes $50 on the drain. After running the bike and flushing the oil about 5 times with new oil every time, I felt pretty comfortable knowing that there wasn't any more gravel in the engine and I could go ahead, run it, ride it, and do the rest of the work on this bike, now knowing that I'm not going to be at a loss. Now that we know that the engine is good, I can go ahead and replace all the parts that are damaged. As you can see, the fairings on the right side, the handlebars, the levers, the exhaust, all that stuff needs to be replaced. So in the next part, we're going to jump into that, and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you for watching.